Hello and welcome back. So guys, here in this class I'm just teaching you some more interesting things. Basically I'm just gonna teach you about how to create links. Okay, so for the first one I'm just simply linking up the Google. Right now I'm just typing the Google. Okay, now how to create this text as a link. If I just go to the browser and refresh, now I'm getting the Google, the simple text, but I just want to link up this simple text as to Google basically. So I'm just going to the notepad, and for linking or for creating the link we have the A tag. Okay, A tag, which is the inline tag, inline level tag, for because you know that this is a tag. So put the less than sign, type the A and cover this up, and then just add the ending tag to the A tag. Now delete the Google and type the Google inside the A. Awesome. Now we have to go to the starting tag of the A, and we have to add the space and then the hyper reference of the Google. This is a simple A tag. Okay, now we have to put the hyper reference to make to add the reference of the website of the Google. But again, the hyper reference is a fixed attribute of this A tag. That means the A tag is actually incomplete without this hyper reference, because it won't work until we put the hyper reference. Now there are two kind of reference we can put. We can put a simple hash. What the mean of hash? We are just adding the blank anchor. The A means anchor tag. Okay, anchoring. So refresh. Now you can see that this link has been converted into a this text converted into a link. Now if you see the address, the index.html, and there is no hash, just click there. Now the hash is there. That means it's working and sending somewhere to our somewhere, but we just simply edit the hash. I'm going to the notepad, and instead of the hash I'm just setting the link to the Google. Don't forget to put the http to now www.google.com. Save and go back to the browser and refresh. Now whenever I click on the google.com or Google, it's sending me to the Google website. Come on, let me send. I don't know what was happened, but it sent me to this web page. That means the link was working perfectly. When I just click there, yeah, it's sending me, by the way. That means the link was working really perfectly. So I hope you understood how we can link up our text to a web page or the online web page. But what if we just want to send our web page to another web page of the same website, means our website? But unfortunately, if I just go to the folder, the HTML, so there is only single file. The other file is the JPG image, as you can see that, and this is the HTML document. So basically I just need to copy and paste this one, and now instead of the index copy, I'm just renaming this. It's automatically the HTML format because I just simply duplicated the index file, which was the old HTML file. Now so I'm just typing the link. Okay, now it's automatically in the HTML file. If I just go to the properties, and then you can see that the type of file is the HTML. So let's just open the link and remove the simple thing and type there the link, or I think in the H2 the link web page. Save, and if I just double click, oh come on, yeah, if I just double click on the link, you can see that it's opening the page, the link web page, and going to the notepad and just clicking on the index.html, and there I'm just adding another h3 and the index page. Save and then refresh this one too. Now the index page and then the link web page. Perfect. Now basically I just want to link up this index.html page with the link.html. This is not necessary to type the name as link. I just mentioned this because I just want to make this more easy and readable. So for this purpose I just have to remove this one, but instead of that, why not I just add a br and add another A tag with the hyper reference, and I'm just adding there the link page. I can type anything, whatever I want, because this is just a showing, and the the address or the URL is here. So let's just mention the URL where you want to send, and because you know that the website or the web page is in the same directory, okay, the web page, I just want to send, I just want to send to this link web page. So the both files are in the same web directory in the HTML file. So I just don't need to do any other thing. I just simply need to mention link.html, but don't forget to mention the HTML extension, which is the necessary to detectify the file. So go to the browser and here and refresh now the link page. Click on the link page, and now you are in the link web page. Now there is no link to go back, so just click there, and now we are here. Just note the address, the URL. We are at this time we are in the index.html, but when I just click on the link page, we are on the link.html. That means it's working perfectly. But for link building, this is called the link building, we have to add the link of the index.html page too. So there I'm adding the a and hyperreference, cover this one, and you know that what I just need to add, I just need to add the index.html, and there I just need to add the address, or sorry, the text, the index page. Now save and refresh the page. Now index page, the link page, the index page, the link page. So I think you can understand that how to link up two files, or as much as files we want. Okay, so if there are multiple files, then what we need to do, we need to add, I'm just giving you the solution. Okay, here I just have to add the link.html page too, the link of the link.html page, and there I just need to add, sorry, I just need to add the link of the index.html page. Okay, now go back and wait for a while, the index page and the link page. For the link.html, the link page, the index.html, the index page. So refresh now the link page. If I just click on the link page, nothing happening, but I'm still in the link page. Okay, but when I just click on the index page, now there are two things, the link and the index page. Okay, so I can go inside the index or I can go inside the link page. Okay, this is why, because sometimes we can have multiple pages, more than 2, 3 or 4 and 5. So we need to build the link like this way. So this is a basic thing about the link. So let's ready to know something more about the linking. Or basically we'll learn about how to link up a page which is inside the subdirectory. So I'll just teach you about this in the next class. So in the next class about that, and then we will learn about the different kind of attributes like the target attribute and etc. So guys, stay tuned and goodbye.